Stop waiting in line and start getting your paychecks faster. Let's learn how to grab your direct deposit form directly from the Cibc mobile app. First, unlock your phone and open the Cibc mobile app. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look at the bottom menu. You'll see several options like accounts, transfers, and pay bills. We're looking for the one labeled More. Tap More. Now, you'll see a list of different services and settings. Scroll through this list until you find Direct Deposit Form. It might be located under Services or a similar heading. Once you found it, tap Direct Deposit Form. You will now see a list of your eligible Cibc accounts. Select the account for which you need the direct deposit information. Tap on the desired account to proceed. Great! Now, your direct deposit information will be displayed. This includes the transit number, institution number, and your account number, all the details your employer needs. You'll also see a share button. Tap that to send your form. This will bring up your phone sharing options. You can choose to email the form, text it, save it to your files, or share it through any other compatible app on your device. Select the method that works best for you to send the form to your employer or anyone else who needs it. Alternatively, although we always suggest sharing to prevent errors, you could also take a screenshot of the form if you prefer. Just be sure to keep that screenshot secure. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and shared your Cibc direct deposit form directly from the app.